Our body was never sexualized in that sense. And if we talk about breasts, they are just lump of fat. It's just lump of fat. It's nothing else. Like, I don't know why it is so sexualized throughout.
The evolution of fashion. Crop tops कहाँ थे जैसे?
लड़के पहनते थे crop tops.
हैं? क्या बात कर रहे हो?
I've seen Salman Khan wear crop tops. Govinda wear crop tops.
Approach of the casting couch kinds or any
Casting couch. There has always been talks of compromise. फर्स्ट मीटिंग में ही बोल देते कि हाँ मैम बाकी सब तो ठीक है, यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड सर्विसेज टू दिस पर्सन.
जो आपके प्रीमियर पे हुआ that seemed fairly uncomfortable.
My co-actors, they got a little bit too excited and then things got little out of hand. Tell me, will any girl be comfortable? I'm talking about Bollywood, where there are so many A-grade male actors who are married, who have kids, who are doing bold roles like this. But the moment it is a married woman, you are just out there criticizing her for what? आप ये मेल एक्टर्स को तो कोई नहीं पूछ रहा ना वहाँ पे.
बट पिच कैसे किया गया था आपको एज अ कॉन्सेप्ट?
There is 1 or 2 intimacy scenes.
आपने साइन किया बिना गौरव को दिखाए वाला एक बहुत बड़ा जो कटाक्ष है.
Okay, मैंने साइन किया बिना गौरव को बताए, कुछ इन्फॉर्म किए, but whether I want to be a mother or no, it's my choice. I don't want to justify it to anyone. And then it's the assumptions, oh she doesn't want to lose her figure, maybe she's so fit. And so what?
ये फिर ये डिवोर्स और सोशल जजमेंट साथ में कब हुआ? फिर ये कहाँ से?
तो हमेशा से ही था. See, if my husband didn't want to be with me, you think he 9 साल क्यों रुकता? वो चला जाता ना कब का.
देखिए आज हमारे साथ है आकांक्षा चमोला, जो कि एक अनअपोलोजेटिक रिस्क टेकर स्ट्रेट शूटर है. हम केवल ये नहीं चाहते कि आप लोग कमेंट्स में लिखें हाँ भाई गौरव खन्ना की वाइफ हैं, इनके बारे में जानने पे मजबूर करना चाहते हैं. इसीलिए वेलकम टू द मेल फेमिनिस्ट.
थैंक यू सो मच. ओह माय गॉड.
बट ये जो आपकी बबली पर्सनैलिटी उभर के आ रही है
जी,
ये ऑप्टिमिज्म कहाँ सीखा?
this runs in my family. I've come in a family which is like very loud, which is very jolly, very bubbly, and like I said, हम पहाड़ी है तो पता नहीं क्यों मेरे दिमाग में ये है कि मैंने जितने भी पहाड़ियों को देखा है, हम ऐसे ही लोग पंजाबियों को बोलते हैं कि ढोल बजता है तो नाचते हैं, बट मैंने ये पहाड़ियों के साथ भी देखा है, हम ऐसे ही नाचते हैं, हमको ढोल की भी जरूरत नहीं, हम ऐसे ही यू नो लाइक बातें करते रहते हैं. वी आर वेरी सेल्फ एंटरटेन्ड पीपल इज व्हाट आई फील.
बहुत सुंदर चीज.
Thanks.
बट फिर टीनेज जिंदगी में मेल अटेंशन भी आ रही होगी आपके प्रति.
I had a lot of friends across genders. I think क्या था Orkut कुछ होता है.
Orkut था?
Yes, so I think I was on Orkut for some time, and then Facebook happened. I was never on Facebook. I directly came on Instagram, and that also was again my husband and my best friend who made an account for me. And they were like, it's high time you need to be on Insta.
अब अभी आई हो 10-15 साल पहले इंस्टाग्राम पे?
मैं बहुत मैं शादी के 1 साल बाद आई हूँ इंस्टा पे.
ये क्या ओपन होने से पेरेंट्स के आपको ये प्रदान होता है ऐसा जो आपका जीवन है, या स्ट्रिक्ट भी थे वो लोग?
इट वाज अ बैलेंस ऑफ बोथ. कुछ चीज में मम्मी मना करती थी तो पापा बोलते थे कर लो, जहाँ पापा मना करते थे मम्मी बोलती थी कर लो.
वेरी नाइस.
तो या एंड लाइक आई सेड मुंबई बॉर्न एंड बॉट अप, तो उनका भी एक अपना अलग ही माइंडसेट था व्हिच वाज, एंड बोथ आर वर्किंग. सो एंड जस्ट फॉर द रिकॉर्ड, सिंस we are talking about family system and everything, I come from a family which is like exceptionally matriarchal. All the females in my family, I'm very proud of it. We only have working females in my household, both paternal and maternal, both sides.
Very cool.
We have never had a housewife in our life. So I have never seen females not voice out, not be loud, not to like hammer. Not question, they will hammer the men in the house. Dude, I come from a place, पापा सैलरी आके मम्मी को देते थे, फिर बोलते थे प्लीज शीला मुझे ये दे दे. So this is how I've grown up.
आपके बारे में इंटरनेट पे सब उल्टा सीधा खबर क्यों है? आप मुंबई की ही हैं?
जी मैं मुंबई की हूँ.
Fair enough, आउटसाइडर ही हैं?
Outsider in the sense by what?
मतलब आपके इंडस्ट्री में कनेक्शंस और लोग घर वाले काम करते थे?
Complete outsider.
है ना?
Complete.
ठीक है. आपने कॉमर्स पढ़ा है?
नहीं, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता कॉमर्स का.
तो ये कौन फैलाया?
कोई तो है जो वहाँ पे बैठ के मेरा बायोडेटा खुद अपनी मर्जी से लिख रहा है, चलो मैं भर देता हूँ.
तो आपने क्या पढ़ाई की थी?
मैंने साइंस लिया था एंड मैं बायोटेक्नोलॉजी की स्टूडेंट हूँ.
और एरिया कौन में रहती थी आप?
सो आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन टुवर्ड्स अंधेरी.
हाँ जी.
especially closer to the international airport because मेरे parents international airport पे काम करते थे.
Interesting.
Yes.
Were they in the airline?
No, so my father was the land in charge, as in safety, security, fire brigade department, and my mother was in the civil department, managing.
These are government officials.
So it got
technically.
it was government, but I think a few years down the line it was taken over by private organization. पहले GVK then Adani. Yeah. So yes.
Interesting. तो बचपन में कितना आपको फ्रीडम था? सिबलिंग्स के बारे में भी ज्यादा नॉलेज नहीं मिली हमें ऑनलाइन.
So I have a younger brother.
हाँ.
And बचपन में क्योंकि जैसे मैं बोल रही हूँ मैं born and brought up मुंबई से हूँ. एंड फ्रीडम की बात करें तो यार मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि जो पहाड़ी लोग होते हैं बिकॉज माई नेटिव इज उत्तराखंड, तो पहाड़ी वैसे भी बहुत ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, थोड़े मस्तीखोर टाइप होते हैं, वो लाइफ को बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय करते हैं. तो मुझे बहुत फ्रीडम रहा है पूरे बचपन भर. अब लाइफ में आकर आफ्टर बीइंग in Mumbai for so like almost all of my life, and when I say this, even my family has been here since generations. So my mom and my dad are also born and brought up.
अच्छा.
Girls, this is all out for you. जो मुंबई में लड़कियां पली भरी है यार, आपको पता भी नहीं है कि आपको क्या मिला है. You don't get this anywhere. Nothing to brag about. तो आप 8th 9th में जाने के बाद obviously you go to classes and stuff. I used to come back home at 11 in the night. That was my curfew time. 11 बजे रात का मेरा कर्फ्यू होता था. लोग बोलेंगे अय्याश है, बट मेरे क्लासेस ही उतने बजे खत्म होते थे और मैं घर पे 11 बजे रात को पहुंचती थी.
कौन से क्लासेस हैं जो 11 बजे तक चल रहे थे आपके?
8 to 11 क्लासेस होते हैं.
अच्छा, तो ये पोस्ट स्कूल वाला?
यस, पोस्ट स्कूल वाला.
तो 11 बजे का आपका बोल रही हैं वो कर्फ्यू टाइम है. तब आप क्या याद करती हैं रास्ते चलते? Were you like as an adult also? Were you just like free on the road?
Very free because I don't remember my father ever coming to pick me up unless it was required.
वाह यार.
Yeah.
बट कभी भी मुंबई में, और ये हम सबसे पूछते हैं
जी,
रास्ते चलते कोई अनटूवर्ड इंसिडेंट?
I mean cat calls and all वैसे तो होते ही हैं.
एंड क्या बोलते थे?
नहीं, जैसे करते ना, सीटी मारते हैं एंड जो उनके आइटम, माल, टोटा, all these words. So it's like as a matter of fact, yeah, ये सब होता है. कभी
आपको मन किया वापस उनको जवाब देने का?
हर सिचुएशन पे रिएक्ट करने का एक सही टाइम होता है. अगर आप सिंगल हो, आपके पास आसपास हेल्प नहीं है तो मत भिड़ो, बिकॉज आपके यू आर हार्मिंग योरसेल्फ मोर देन एनीथिंग एल्स.
Again, until one of my ex-girlfriends told me while on call with me that somebody just pulled his dick out and flashed her.
Oh, that has also happened.
Ugly sight for a girl to get at a young age.
It is not just ugly, it is something which stays in your head. It's a traumatizing thing to happen because then you can't get over it. I was with a group of girls, can you believe that? And this happened within the college premises. So we picked up stones which were lying around and we started hitting the man and then he ran away. So again, my point is, when you are in a group, you know you all can react and you are going to be safe in numbers, only then react. Otherwise, do not instigate such people because you don't know the state of mind that they are at. They can actually do anything to you. So it's always better to, like simply evade or maybe ask for help.
Yeah, fair enough.
यार, आपको मार्शल आर्ट्स आता है, सेल्फ डिफेंस आता है तो भिड़ो, लेकिन आपको नहीं आता है ना तो फालतू में पंगे मत लो बिकॉज उनका लॉस नहीं होने वाला है. इन द एंड आप वो ट्रॉमा लेके चलोगे.
तो ये जो एक्सट्रोवर्टेड पर्सनालिटी लग रही है मेरे को, ये मॉडलिंग या थिएटर वगैरह नहीं कर रही थी स्कूल में? मैं
मॉडलिंग कर रही थी. थिएटर मैंने कभी नहीं किया, मुझे कभी एक्टिंग का शौक ही नहीं था. आई वाज ऑलवेज इनटू डांसिंग.
तो फिर जब एक्टिंग में उतरी तब ऑडिशंस वगैरह की जर्नी कैसी रही?
यार अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं बोलूं, मैं ना आपको कोई स्ट्रगल दे ही नहीं सकती हूँ मेरी लाइफ की, क्योंकि मैं है ही नहीं.
जरूरी नहीं है तो मत दीजिए.
एग्जैक्टली, है ही नहीं. काश मैं उनमें से हो सकती कि मैं बोल सकती यार मेरी लाइफ में बहुत स्ट्रगल किया पर मैंने किया ही नहीं दोस्त. बट जब लाइंस बोलने की बारी आती थी, जैसे आपने देखा, आई ऑकवर्डली लाफ. सो व्हेन आई गेट ऑकवर्ड आई स्टार्ट लाफिंग. सो आई कुडंट डिलीवर लाइंस बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू लाफ. सो माय मॉम वाज लाइक, नो यू नीड टू गो अंडर ट्रेनिंग, सो एटलीस्ट आपको बेसिक पता है. आई वाज लाइक फेयर इनफ. सो आई डिड अ क्रैश कोर्स फॉर लाइक 4 months and then these guys approached and they were like, you now we'll put you through some auditions, go ahead and give. So मेरे बैच में से हम सब गए थे and I happened to go to this one production house which is Rashmi Sharma production house. I went there, I gave one audition. वहाँ से मुझे 2 serials immediately मिल गए. It's like I wish I could say I've struggled.
नहीं, it's fair. बट क्या आप अपना तर्क रख पाती कि आपको इतने पैसे चाहिए, या तब तक आपको
मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं था फॉर मी कि मुझे रोल मिल गया. वो सच अ बिग थिंग बिकॉज acting has never been my forte. All right, I've always been okay. मुझे डांस करना है, अच्छा मैं मॉडलिंग कर रही हूँ और मैं उसमें से बहुत अच्छे पैसे कमा रही थी, like because I was doing a lot of catalog prints and everything. So India में catalog is just one thing, bridal wear. You don't have a lot of catalogs.
Oh,
There is
catalog
only
in-
one catalog which is like bridal wear.
But lingerie also gets sold.
So I've never done lingerie.
Fair.
Yeah, I've never done because that's what I'm saying. Catalog का market for lingerie is not there. Lingerie comes under. And I think for lingerie, they normally take Russians, as far as I know. जब तक
Yeah,
मैं थी.
I've never understood why Indian bodies are not displayed in.
It's not about that. I think it's also about comfort level because the way they are comfortable on the floor, I don't think Indian females are that comfortable. And I'm not saying.
May not be today.
See, there might be. 9 out of 10 females I know will be uncomfortable. There might be one female who will be like, हाँ चलो करते हैं जो भी करना है. But 10 out of 10. All Firangs are very comfortable in their own skin. And it's not even about duty or anything. I mean, they are just so casual about it. And I'm like, and you know, somewhere down the line, when you have that energy on the floor, सबका वो view change हो जाता है. I'm not saying men will not stare at you in that sense. They will, obviously, because men are men in the end. The way they carry themselves and they really don't care. देख रहे हो देखो.
To quickly interrupt, सुन लो भाई. Men are men, please. I will stop her and say no.
Not all men are the
Uncomfortable
same.
मत करो. नहीं, I will never ever say not all men also because I know a lot of men. Imagine Akanksha is this. You must have seen that happen to you, na?
Yeah.
And women always know, no?
We come to know ऐसे कब हो रहा है ऐसे.
Even though छुप छुपा के जो clever मर्द होते हैं जो.
There are no clever मर्द. I just want to break सारे मर्दों का बबल में तोड़ना चाहती हूँ. भाइयों, आप जिसके साथ भी जितना भी स्मार्ट बिहेव कर रहे हो, हमको पता है आप क्या कर रहे हैं. It's just that the female is allowing you.
तो जैसे पहली बार पीरियड आता है तो कोई ना कोई लड़की आपकी ग्रुप में पहले पीरियड जिसके आ गए हैं वो बता देती है ना.
So luckily, see, I come from that age where we had life learning lessons in our school.
Oh.
Bombay Cambridge High School, guys.
Sure.
Yeah, our school, I think we began with the life learning lessons in 6th grade so that none of the girls would go through that phase where, okay, we don't know what is happening to
या
ourselves.
टच हो जाए तो हल्का सा.
Bad touch, good touch, everything, self-defense. See, like I'm learning skills.
Yeah.
Self-defense was taught. We were taught about rape. We were taught about, we were taught about those things. We were taught about condoms, protective sex as well. So we had a lot of
And
these.
none of y'all went ooh.
So girls used to get shy. ऐसा नहीं है. So you have all kinds of things happening. But it was a good exposure because somewhere down the line, like you said, I never came, at least in our group, we didn't come across कि अरे ये क्या हो रहा है? What is this? इसको हुआ, उसको हुआ. Because now you've broken that ice, so now you can openly talk.
ये तो होता ही है ना. When like no matter how seamless you get your lingerie to be,
Yeah.
when you start wearing a bra, other men or boys notice because I think boys are also
I
boys.
think boys in school are like too horny.
That's so true.
Too horny.
The
like,
reason I had this insight is also probably because we were also those boys.
Yeah, because I think that is the age when you start watching a lot of porn, you all start masturbating. I'm sorry, I'm being too candid. Oh my god. And how I know this is because obviously I have a younger brother. So I took it on myself to make it a point that, okay,
He
you
learned
know,
the right.
Yeah, he learned the right way. So I think for him, I did that thing. I had to make sure because somewhere down the line, I think it's the moral responsibility of every single female.
Yeah.
आपका अगर बेटा है तो आपको उसको ये सिखाना पड़ेगा, आपका भाई है तो आपको ये सिखाना पड़ेगा. Do not rely कि अरे जो आएगी वो सिखा देगी या you know he'll
ये
learn
क्या
in the
pressure है
school.
भाई?
Yeah, that's not right. So I think me being an older sister, I took it on myself and then I went ahead and I told him that you know.
तो क्या आपने उसे ethical porn की सीढ़ी दी थी?
जी नहीं. I had actually come across. So I had come across his group of friends and I had seen them watching. वो time पे
Oh, you
वो.
caught your brother watching porn?
So I caught his friends.
Or not him?
Not him. And then I was like, oh my god. So then I took my brother aside and I'm like, listen, whatever it is that you have in your head, please ask me.
You caught them and then did you tell them right or
Yeah,
wrong about porn?
Yeah, I told them.
कैसे किया आपने? For anybody watching, if they have to take a inspiration.
No, so first, obviously, denial. First thing, being a guy.
नहीं,
You know,
नहीं,
and I,
नहीं.
ये तो ऐसे ही चालू हो गया. And then I went on the search. I'm like, listen, stop fooling me. And I removed the search list. And I'm like, this is your search history. You've been watching this. And I'm like, this is not right, first of all. Second of all, I'm like, don't misuse the fact that, you know, you've been rewarded with technology. I'm like, this is not how it's done. There is an age for this. and ये जो है, it is all fiction. This is not exactly how it's done. And then I'm like, तुम्हारी girlfriends है, do you all touch them like that? No, stuff like that. People, like the first reaction was everyone panicked, but then they understood that okay, fine, you know, we have to somewhere down the line accept it and then address the topic as well.
तो फिर आप कहाँ से पा रही थी आपकी सेक्स वगैरह की समझ?
I had a neighbor who was extremely informative, again a science student.
Very nice.
Yeah, so she was the one who opened me up to all these things.
आकांक्षा, मेरा सवाल ये है कि भाई फिर प्लेजर कहाँ से समझते हो आप?
So at least I'm giving you my personal experience. I was a very late bloomer
Oh,
to
fair.
all these stuff. Like exceptionally late bloomer, to which I had my best friend who was like, this is normal. So she had to sit me down and she has to tell me like,
And then did you like adapt to the idea? No.
no, not yet. I wasn't convinced.
Damn.
Yeah.
एक ब्रा को भी बड़ा सेक्सुअलाइज किया गया है, देखिए.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
it is at the end of the day lingerie and
It is
shapewear
something
and
which
wear
is
for you.
worn by your mother and your sisters and your grandmothers and like every other female entity in your life. So,
Yeah.
I don't know why. Why is that such a like? I remember ऐसे bra strap दिखता था and everyone was like, oh, bra दिख रहा, bra दिख रहा.
मैं 10, 11, 15, 12 साल पहले की बात कर रहा हूँ.
Yes.
The evolution of fashion.
It is-
Crop tops कहाँ थे जैसे?
लड़के पहनते थे crop tops.
हैं?
हाँ.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
I've seen Salman Khan wear crop tops. Govinda wear crop tops.
Those were really like
Yeah.
t-shirts which were tiny.
Yeah. ऐसा नहीं. ऐसी fashion is nothing but being repetitive throughout decades.
I mean, our blouses are technically spaces where they are a version of a crop top. तो हमारी साड़ी के साथ हमेशा
I would like to debunk this, which I'm sure half of the people might be knowing, but other half might not be knowing. So blouses was never a part of our culture. Sari has been a part of our culture.
तो साड़ी के साथ तो ब्लाउज ही पहना
जी
जाता था
नहीं
ना.
पहना जाता था. So we come from a history. When I say history, I mean it. I'm talking about Purana wala ages also, where our body was never sexualized in that sense. Where India, as a country, sex education was given right from childhood, so that by the time you grow up, for you nothing is fascinating because you already know.
ये
So
science
the
है.
bodies were nothing of a big thing. Oh, what is that? No, that was no reaction. So we never had blouses. Saris were obviously there, but we never had that kind of drapes also. If you go and see the old carvings and everything, वो below the waist होते थे, like lungis and all.
Okay.
And the upper portion was bare, like completely bare. Like I'll give you a simple example. Even our Devis, like if you look at Kali Ma doesn't wear a blouse. We dress them, that is our thing. Okay, we want to adorn them, we want to respect them, we want, you know, उनको हम सजाते हैं, सवारते हैं. But अगर आप technically देखो तो काली माँ भी blouse नहीं पहनती है. And the point is, see, respect is in the eye of the beholder. Like we say, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So how will a piece of clothing decide कि मुझे आपके लिए respect है कि नहीं? And if we talk about breasts, they are just lump of fat. It's
Yeah.
just lump of fat. It's nothing else. Like, I don't know why it is so sexualized throughout, but it's, guys, it's actually nothing. So like when I say blouses was not in our culture, it's been introduced in India after the Britishers entered. There was a law. Like I said, feminism के नाम पे अगर आप अपने पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मार रहे हो तो फिर आप बेवकूफ हो. आपको खुद को भी mindful होना पड़ेगा.
We do exist in 2026 at this time
Yes.
in life, and हम ये शो कर रहे हैं और ऐसी बातें कर रहे हैं ताकि ये एक दिन हो जहाँ पर ये सोचना ना पड़े.
ये सोचना ना पड़े, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली अभी वो टाइम है जहाँ पे आपको ये सोचना पड़ेगा. आई थिंक योर सेफ्टी शुड बी योर प्रायोरिटी मोर देन एनीथिंग एल्स.
सही बात है. बट सेट पे फिर कैसा माहौल होता था एट एनी गिवन पॉइंट? एनी अप्रोच ऑफ द कास्टिंग काइंड्स और एनी
कास्टिंग काउच,
या और एनीबॉडी बीइंग वियर्ड विद यू?
सो कास्टिंग काउच तक बात तो नहीं गई, बट देयर हैज ऑलवेज बीन टॉक्स ऑफ कॉम्प्रोमाइज.
ऐसे अपफ्रंट?
Very upfront, extremely upfront.
I'm sorry, how?
See, I'll tell you, television is very clean. But if you want to jump the line and then you want to get into something else, it's a very tough place and a very, I don't know how to put this, it's not a very great situation to be in if you don't have a godfather backing you up. I was not that ambitious about any industry in particular, but I was like, ठीक है, आ रहा है तो why not, let's go for a meeting and stuff like that. And when you go for the meeting, first meeting होता है, and then after that, if people are not bold enough to, you know, there are times when first meeting में ही बोल देते कि हाँ मैम बाकी सब तो ठीक है, लेकिन हम audition नहीं लेते, हमारा contract basis पे है, where it comes with a clause that you are going to be close to this person. Yeah, which is so straightforward. And I'm like, what is this? So they're like, "अरे हम
तो
ऐसे ही
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट
casting
में
करते हैं."
मेंशन्ड है
That we'll make you sign a contract saying that you are going to be close to this particular person, you have to provide services to this person, and in this relation you are getting this kind of role and you are being casted. Very blunt, very straightforward too. And I was like, ये एक दो बार हुआ, थोड़ा मुझे भी लगा अरे ये ऐसा होता है इतना openly.
सॉरी दैट ये आज भी हो रहा है और पता
आज भी है boss. I don't know which world you are in. It's still there. It is still there.
बट आपको पता है द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम आई हैव एंड वी रेज दिस अ लॉट ऑन द शो ऑन द मेल फेमिनिस्ट कि आर्टिस्ट्स या डीजेस या परफॉर्मर्स को हमेशा पता नहीं क्यों कई सारे मर्द प्रोमिस्कुअस समझते हैं, इजी समझते हैं. ये आपने कभी होते हुए देखा एट अ बार?
Not just with artists. I think it's there with every single female who is out there and who is flamboyant, who is confident. They think यार हाँ ये तो easy है, हम लोग तो इसको कर सकते हैं ऐसे.
प्रॉब्लम पता है मैं क्यों पूछ रहा था? बाय सीरीज ऑफ क्वेश्चंस लीड टू ये लोग ये बोलेंगे फिर आप सीरीज क्यों कर रही हो
जी.
यू नो वो भी तो whatever सॉफ्ट पॉर्न या भाभी पॉर्न है जो भी whatever they'll say it.
Oh my god, it's not soft porn. Why is everyone saying so? Just for the record, I want to clear it to everyone right now that not just my series, any series which is out right now playing legally on our official sites. I'm talking about all the sites which are official under government guidelines. We have a very strict censorship law which is applied.
जी
You cannot go beyond that. Because of that, many apps have been discontinued because of this issue. So if you think you're watching the show with the intention कि हमको कुछ double X भी मिल रहा है, आपको नहीं मिलने वाला है. Even when we are shooting the scenes, it is such a sensitive atmosphere because the director is in that mind frame that I want to get done with this as soon as possible. Right from the person who's sitting in the channel till the producer, because you never know what will happen on the set. And plus, these scenes are practiced beforehand. Practice in the sense we don't kiss because kiss करना सबको आता है. But there is an intimacy coordinator who
ये
makes.
शो पे थे
Yes, there are certain things which you girls need to know. First of all, censor board के हिसाब से बहुत ज़्यादा सीन्स हम नहीं दिखा सकते, बहुत ज़्यादा न्यूडिटी भी हम नहीं दिखा सकते हैं. सो यू हैव टू फॉलो दोज गाइडलाइंस सो दैट यू आर नॉट बीइंग टेकन एडवांटेज ऑफ. सेकंड, यू हैव टू हैव एन इंटिमेसी कोऑर्डिनेटर ऑन द सेट.
ये अब कंपलसरी हो गया है?
It is a compulsion. See, that's what I'm saying. It's become very strict. Now with censorship also, अगर आपने थोड़ा भी एक्स्ट्रा कर लिया ना सोच के अरे ये तो हम डाल देंगे, वो निकाल देंगे भाई, आपका वो सीरीज स्ट्राइक पे आ जाएगा, आपका सीरीज रिलीज नहीं होगा.
तो मुझे जितना पता है मैं आप लोगों को बता दूं, एज एन असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर एंड डायरेक्टर, निपल नहीं दिखा सकते हम फ्रंटल न्यूडिटी को भी पूरा नहीं दिखा सकते, हम वजाइना या पीनस नहीं दिखा सकते.
You can't even show the
but crack नहीं दिखा सकते
as far as I know.
So this I've always been aware of.
Yeah. And then obviously comes your personal boundaries where you set on the floor before signing such shows कि मैं ये scenes नहीं करने वाली हूँ. All right, like for me, I'll tell you, I was very upfront about the fact that okay, I'm not going to do any grinding, humping, none of those shots. I'm not giving a backless shot. I was very clear on these things. Front भी मैंने पहले ही मना, front तो है ही नहीं, but I'm just saying, just in general, blouse doesn't come off, backless doesn't happen, no humping, no grinding, none of those, suggestive motion shots.
But like intercourse will have to be depicted in a certain way, ना? वो तो होना ही है.
Yeah, but it's not necessary to be shown every time. That's what I'm saying. This is where you have censorship.
Yeah.
And then you have your production house which backs you up. This is why I'm saying these things are clear beforehand while signing the contract. When it comes to intimacy coordinator, you have to go through a series of workshop.
Yeah.
In the workshop, guys, you will not kiss. Again, I want to make it clear because I don't know why girls
कुछ सेक्सुअल फैंटेसी निकाल रहे हैं लोग पब्लिक अपना खुद का ऐसा.
हाँ, नहीं फैंटेसी की बात नहीं, मुझे ऐसे लगता है like I said, if it was my younger brother that I felt that it's my responsibility कि मैं उसको समझाऊं, तो मुझे ऐसे लगता है to all the girls who are out there who might not know about this, I think it's my moral responsibility to also tell them as an actress that you need to know all these things, and if you're not getting these things, do not get on board.
Having said that, जो आपके प्रीमियर पे हुआ that seemed fairly uncomfortable. मुझे एज अ व्यूअर देख के लग रहा था कि ये आई डोंट नो डिस्कशन हुई है कि नहीं, क्योंकि वहां तो ग्राइंडिंग हो रही है एक तरीके की, आप ऐसी हंस रही हैं
एग्जैक्टली. ओह माय गॉड.
तो आई थिंक हम अभी तक एस्टैब्लिश कर चुके हैं कि ऑकवर्ड मोमेंट्स पे ऐसी हंसती हैं.
आई लाफ इट ऑफ.
वर यू कंफर्टेबल?
टेल मी, विल एनी गर्ल बी कंफर्टेबल इन दैट सिचुएशन?
वाज इट डिस्कस्ड?
To be fair, to everyone. What had happened was it was a pre-decided event, a promotional event.
Wo-
obviously,
yes.
obviously,
Understood.
it was high octane, high energetic thing that was happening. It was live. We had a lot of applaud from the audience. The audience
After the trailer.
obviously after the trailer, and then we had the song also which got released. All right, so we were launching the song as well. So within the group we had a small dance reel which we had already shot, thinking the promotion and everything in future. So we were asked that, okay, you know what, let's recreate those moments. So this was discussed, and obviously I had a very, I mean, let's say, I think an error in judgment when it came to my attire, the outfit that I was wearing.
बट क्या सुंदर है, मतलब
It
उसमें
was very
ट्रेन है एक.
pretty, but that was restricting my movements because of the trail. I couldn't move, I couldn't do anything. So I had to, like, you know, like, in one hand I'm balancing myself and then I'm going to pick up my trail. So my body movements got really restricted because of that. So during that thing, we were just briefed that, okay, you will perform, and obviously the person who plays my husband will come and separate us, and that was supposed to be the end of the act. The dance is with the bodyguard and the husband is the one who pulls me.
Were you comfortable? Were you not?
No, I was not comfortable, and like I said, that happened in a spur of the moment because, like I said, we were supposed to get separated, and in my head already, because I couldn't move and all, our director just said that, you know, do the RK pose and we'll end with it. So I thought we are already done with this skit, but then it continued because we had a lot of applause from the audience which was coming, and then, you know, I think my co-actors, they got a little bit too excited, and then things got little out of hand because maybe, you know, in that moment they felt that, okay, you know, we need to cater to the audience right now, let's give them something more. And they completely forgot the fact that, you know, when you do certain things, especially in out in the media, you have a moral responsibility towards your co-actor where you are supposed to respect the boundaries also. Again, I'm not questioning their intent, okay, which I totally believe that they did not do it out of, let's say, it wasn't planned, they did not intend to do what they were doing, but I think they should have acted more responsibly. I wasn't comfortable. I was trying to be composed about the situation and not react the way I wanted to react. So just because I'm not reacting doesn't mean that, oh, she's enjoying it. Dude, I'm not enjoying it.
या आप खुद एज मर्द भी इमेजिन कर लें या कोई भी जेंडर सैंडविच
No,
between two people.
It's not a very comfortable situation to be in, especially since you're not prepared about it. Like I said, अगर मुझे पता होता that this was a part of the skit, fair enough, I would have taken everything कि चलो ठीक है, नहीं अच्छा लगा, but मुझे खुद को भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था.
Having portrayed a character which is so bold, upfront about her sexuality or desire,
Yeah.
will make people believe even worse. Like मतलब वो अभी आपको एज एन आर्टिस्ट प्रोमिस्कुअस समझते होंगे तो वो और एंटी अप कर देंगे. They'll be like, ये तो सेक्सुअल कंटेंट या बोल्ड कंटेंट करती है तो ये तो और ही ज्यादा फ्री है फिर.
What do you mean by free है? The approach is wrong. Why do you want the woman not to be free? Even if I am a free human being, what is wrong in that? आपको चाहिए मैं आपकी दासी बन के घूमूं या किसी की दासी बन के घूमूं?
And then the attachment of गौरव को दिखाया कि नहीं, या ये तो गलत
my
है,
God.
वो
So-
बिग बॉस में थे तो करके आ गई साइन, ऐसा सब वाली जो वो है वो भी तो बड़ी तादाद में आई हुई है.
So Gaurav and me, we have been married for like 9 years now. Obviously, I don't know why people don't use their common sense to understand these things, that both are from the same fraternity. These things would have been on the table so many times. And you think ये पहली बार हमको approach हुआ है या गौरव को कभी ऐसे shows, you know, offer नहीं हुए? We've already discussed it, and we've always been on the same page where, you know, he's also been very supportive. Like, if you are convinced you want to do, I'll never interfere. And the same goes with me as well. I've always told him that, baby, you want to do it, please go ahead and do it. I'll never question you on that thing, because in the end, we are professionals, and that's what the world doesn't understand these things. But when you are there performing, you are not enjoying the moment. I don't know why. Dude, we are actors, we are getting paid to act. आप जो इमोशन भी देखते हो ना भाई, हम एक्ट करते हैं. कितनी बार दो एक्टर्स में लड़ाई होती है, बट क्या केमिस्ट्री निकल के आती है, क्योंकि वो एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं.
तो जानते हैं कैसे.
It's like, imagine in that set intimacy वाला thing, आप सबको बाहर भगा देते हो. सिर्फ like limited 10 to 15 people है, जिसमें से let's say 70% are women. There are only women on the set when such scenes are shot.
क्या बात है?
Exactly,
मतलब
exactly.
आपके सेट के लिए क्या बात है? Because ये बहुत रेयर मैंने सुना है.
Only women, and it's a very close set that happens.
वो
Beautiful.
पूरा विवरण है.
And also, and like I was mentioning, which I forgot to say, the benefit of having an intimacy coordinator on the floor is जो scenes सही नहीं होते हैं ना, वो वहीं के वहीं delete हो जाते हैं. So they don't even have extra shots. Only the scenes which are approved. So this is what I want all the female actresses to know. No monitors outside the closed room which is being shot.
Ah.
So there is no monitor visuals. Normally एक monitor बाहर होता है for the sound and everything. Nothing. Everything is within that space.
आपने साइन किया बिना गौरव को दिखाए वाला एक बहुत बड़ा जो कटाक्ष है, वो परसिस्ट करता है.
Okay, मैंने साइन किया बिना गौरव को बताए, कुछ इन्फॉर्म किए, बट जब गौरव बाहर आए, इनफैक्ट बाहर भी नहीं, when he was inside, I think I've already told him that baby I'm doing a web series, and so it's हमारा language का बात है, and he understood and he was very okay with it. And once he was out, obviously he knew that I've already done a show like that, because you know I had like so many clips out of it. I was going for dubbings and stuff like that, so he very much knows what has happened.
देखो सीन क्या है ना कि शो फीमेल डिजायर को दर्शा रहा है या सेंसेशनलाइज कर रहा है, सवाल वहां आता है.
Let's say both.
Fair.
If I have to be fair about it, let's say both, because okay, now if you have to talk about the character, like you said, she is rejected. She's someone who is facing rejection from her marriage, from her husband, and now you know, like maybe she's found someone, she wants to prove something, maybe she wants to make herself feel better. So what is the first thing you do as a woman?
Agency. You exert your agency.
Exactly. And how do you do that? You go with self improvement. The first thing you want to do is, if you want to feel good about yourself, is like I'll
Shringar.
dress. Exactly. I'll dress sexy. I'll have hot lipsticks. I'll maybe go for a haircut. So this is the first thing you do.
In the cases filed for divorce, if a woman projects that she's not being satisfied by a man in a certain manner, and lawyers please come in, I may be completely wrong here,
Yeah.
they can get a separation.
Yeah, they can.
Yeah.
Obviously, because if she's not sexually satisfied, then yeah.
I did not know this until like very recently, 3, 4, 5, 6 years ago types.
Oh.
Awareness नहीं होती ना, देखिए हम लोग
There is, like you said, हाँ,
divorce taboo है, it's like periods taboo हैं, sex भी बहुत taboo
everything
है.
related to the female is taboo, bro. We have an industry. I'm talking about Bollywood, where there are so many A-grade, amazing actors, male actors, who are married, who have kids, who are doing bold roles like this, who
Yeah.
are pushing boundaries,
Yeah.
who are testing waters, and everyone is applauding like, wow, यार क्या किया
क्या
है?
रोमांस किया?
बहुत किया है, कितना सही किया है. But the moment it is a married woman, or it's a woman who's doing it, you are just out there criticizing her for what? आप ये मेल एक्टर्स को तो कोई नहीं पूछ रहा ना वहाँ पे. इमरान हाशमी के बारे में आपसे सीरियल किसर है
चुम्बन
भाई
देवता.
सीरियल. तो अगर वो अप्रिशिएट हो रहा है सीरियल किसिंग में, मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ मैं सीरियल किसर बनना चाहती हूँ, बट मैं सिर्फ ये बोल रही हूँ, सो इवन इफ इमरान हाशमी इज अ मैरिड गाय एंड इफ ही इज स्टिल किसिंग, ही इज स्टिल गिविंग सच सीन्स एंड यू आर अपलोडिंग इट एज okay, ये स्क्रिप्ट का डिमांड था, दिस वाज अ पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी, सो व्हाई इज आई लाइक व्हाई एम आई और एनी अदर फीमेल बीइंग क्रिटिसाइज्ड फॉर इट?
सही
वी
बात.
आर आल्सो डायरेक्टर्स, एक्टर्स, we are also going, you know, with professional attitude towards our story and trying to
Right.
perform and justify it the way we want to, and we have our own boundaries. If male artists can achieve these things, why can't we achieve those lines? I don't know why when we talk about equality, there's no equality, because again there is a gender bias. आप appreciate करते हो यार, ये तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता, आप किसी और के पति को रोमांस करते हुए एक्सेप्ट करते हो, लेकिन उसी की बीवी को किसी और के रोमांस करते हुए, अरे ये क्या कर रही है, कैरेक्टरलेस है, ये तो बहुत गलत चीज है बॉस.
सही बोलिए आप.
पेट्रियार्की इज इन आवर ब्लड इन
हमें
सच
सबको
अ वे.
इक्वली सिखाई गई है, बट पिच कैसे किया गया था आपको एज अ कॉन्सेप्ट, संक्षेप में अगर बताना चाहें तो?
It was pitched as in there is 1 or 2 intimacy scenes.
ओ,
Yeah, it was pitched like that.
आपको लगता है कि ये प्रोजेक्ट प्लेजर को फॉर विमेन इक्वल फुटिंग पे लाके रख सकता है? Does it have the capability to do so?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Oh yes, definitely. She's very vocal about what she wants. She's manipulative and she knows कि ये तो मैं करूँगी.
The Gaurav part of it, because they brought his family also in it.
That was the only thing that affected me.
They brought his family in it, and it's not like वहाँ भी आपका easy battle रहा था.
So luckily, like I said, I come from a family. Even my in-laws are extremely supportive. So I did not have to, you know, they were understanding enough to realized that, you know, things have been out of proportion. But more than that, I think it was my husband. Unlike what people are thinking and putting on social media ki Gaurav ro raha hai, the first thing my husband did was ask me, are you okay? And for me that was more than anything, because he understood the situation his wife was in. Obviously from a male point of view, nobody wants to see their wife in that situation. I have always been okay with the fact that throughout my husband's journey in Bigg Boss, I have been misunderstood.
Why were you brought into the fold? Because if he was flirty, then you were questioned. Why is he?
No. He was never flirty, but the thing was, people were thinking that I'm not a supportive wife because I'm
Why?
not giving him kids, and he
Oh.
wants to be a father.
Oh,
and
that
I
is a
don't
whole
want to be
different
a
thing.
mother.
That is a whole different topic that I'll quickly touch on.
Yeah. So obviously,
Kudos to you all for being that open about it, though.
why shouldn't we? Right?
So बच्चे
Yeah.
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि हम एज अ कपल या बहुत सारे हमारे जैसे कपल्स हैं जो डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं, कई बार कई सारी महिलाओं को नहीं चाहिए बच्चे. तो इट वाज वेरी वेरी कूल ऑफ यू ऑल टू इवन पुट दिस आउट देयर.
Whether I want to be a mother or no, it's my choice. I don't want to justify it to anyone. And then it's the assumptions, oh, she doesn't want to lose her figure, maybe she's so and so what? My point is, I am not agreeing to anything. But my thing is, you don't need to know my justification or my logic or my excuse. Let's put it as an excuse behind not being a mother.
वो अपनी जस्टिफिकेशन ढूंढ रहे होते हैं.
Correct. I'm not asking ना तुम क्यों बच्चा लाना चाहते हो.
थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग. बट आप बीच में 2-3 साल आफ्टर शादी नहीं करने की सोची थी एक्टिंग?
2-3 साल भाई, मैंने तो 5 साल नहीं किया था एक्टिंग.
क्या कर रही थी तब?
चिल कर रहे थे लाइफ में. चिल कर रहे थे लाइफ में. मेरा पति मुझे बोल रहा था ये रोल अच्छा नहीं है, मत कर. मैं हाँ नहीं करेंगे, भाड़ में जाओ, नहीं करना. किसी ने बोला रोल अच्छा है, मैंने बोला रोल अच्छा है. फिर उसने बोला बजट नहीं है, मैंने बोला भाड़ में जाओ, मेरा पति बहुत कमाता है, मैं नहीं करने वाली हूँ इस बजट में.
मस्त है.
हाँ.
ये फिर ये डिवोर्स रूमर्स और सोशल जजमेंट साथ में कब हुआ? फिर ये कहाँ
तो
से आया?
हमेशा से ही था. राइट फ्रॉम द राइट फ्रॉम द टाइम पीपल गॉट टू नो कि ओके शी डजंट वांट टू हैव अ किड, इट्स ऑलवेज बीन देयर.
ओह, ये इतना पर्सनल चीज है कि ये कैसे बाहर निकलेगा?
बट अपने कंट्री में यही तो प्रॉब्लम है ना, लोगों को बाउंड्रीज नहीं पता है ना. आज के तारीख में भी बाय डिफॉल्ट, आई एम जस्ट नॉट टारगेटिंग एनीवन. हम लाइक लेट्स से यू एंड मी आर देयर एंड सपोज समवन जस्ट एंटर्स एंड दैट पर्सन कम्स टू नो कि आप मैरिड हो. अच्छा बच्चे हुए नहीं हुए, कब कर रहे हो बच्चे? ये कितना दिस इज नॉर्मलाइज्ड सो वेल, बिकॉज माय पॉइंट इज you as a person don't even realize at times that you don't know in what frame of mind that person is, whether that person is happy in the marriage or no. वो पार्टनर के साथ खुश है कि तुम कुछ नहीं सोचते, तुम डायरेक्टली
Yeah,
मेरा बच्चा कर रहे हो. कुत्ते में लगी रहेगी तो बच्चे का फीलिंग कैसे आएगा? ये भी बोला यार मुझे. इतने जानवरों में घुसे रहोगे तो बच्चे का तो फीलिंग ऑब्वियसली नहीं आएगा ना. ये भी पूछा गया है. Also, people don't understand, and I think this topic should also be something where I think young couples should know that before you all enter marriage, finance should also be discussed, because आगे चल के एक point पे प्यार आपको sustain नहीं करेगा, finance आपको sustain करेगा. See, if my husband didn't want to be with me, you think he 9 साल क्यों रुकता? वो चला जाता ना कब का.
हाँ, सही बात है.
मतलब वो किस चीज के लिए रुका है? ये 10वें साल पे मान जाएगी, नहीं 12वें साल पे. ऐसा कोई मुहूर्त नहीं निकला. We both have an option to leave the marriage and walk.
Yeah.
And you know, have our own respective lives, but we are still choosing to be with each other. So nobody is forcing anyone. We are in this thing by choice, and we are happy about it.
Thank you for sharing. But financial literacy आपको कहाँ से मिली हुई थी और कहाँ से पाई अगर नहीं मिली हुई थी तो?
मेरा जो financial learning था, it came from my parents.
तो कहाँ इन्वेस्ट करती हो?
So my investments are managed by my mother and my husband.
बट आपको पता है कि कहाँ पर लगा हुआ है पैसा, लाइक स्टॉक्स और म्यूचुअल फंड्स?
Yeah, I know. So I personally invest in gold, physically invest in gold, physically invest in silver. Mummy is investing in life insurance and term insurance and stuff like that. So she's managing that, and Gaurav is managing mutual funds. So my finance is like distributed.
None of this is financial advice, folks. Please refer to
Yeah, please. We are not
offer-related
professionals.
documents.
We are not professionals on that.
thoroughly. But आपके लिए फेमिनिज्म क्या है?
Being empowered and voicing out is feminism.
यार अपनी खुद की 16 साल की खुद को एडवाइस देना चाहती तो वो कैमरा है, क्या देती?
No, nothing. Just do exactly what you're doing. Just do exactly what you're doing. Do not change a single thing about yourself. Don't listen to anyone like the way you are, because now when I am right now when I'm living this moment, I feel so proud of the fact that I have not fallen into any kind of pressure. I don't fall. I'm not following any norms. I'm not behaving the way the society wants me to behave, and I'm literally against the trend, and I'm loving it.
आप लोग बताइए कैसा कैसा लगा आप लोगों को, कमेंट्स में हमको फीडबैक दीजिए, हम इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं हमेशा एट ऑल गिवन टाइम्स. इनका सीरीज आ रहा है कहाँ बताओ,
दिल धोखा और डिजायर शिमारू मी पर.
और क्या क्या आने वाला है कुछ बता सकती हो?
होपफुली आप सब मुझे देखेंगे नेटफ्लिक्स पे, Amazon पे. Why not? Because we dream big. See you guys. See you very soon.
So subscribe to Heart of Life. मेरा नाम है सिद्धार्थ अलम्बा, signing off on the Male Fan Fest. Bye. Are you a hugger?
Yeah, why not? Oh
Thank
my
you.
god. I don't know.